You're watching Max Talks, and I'm here at the London Excel for everything electric, and I'm on the Hyundai stand as they've got the UK debut of the new IONIQ 9. And in this video, we're going to take a first look. So we're actually going to start on the inside of the car because there's some really cool stuff going on in here. So the car doesn't actually have any traditional mirrors as such. It's got these digital side mirrors here. And then of course you've got the 12.3-inch screens here. Further down, you've got all your climate systems on physical buttons, which is nice to see. And then we've also got down at the bottom here, USB-C ports, 100-watt charging, and that is on all three rows in this car. Now, it's worth also pointing out that on this car, you can have it as either a 6 or a 7-seater. The standard will be 7 with the option of going for a 6-seater, and then the seats in the back will be available where you can swivel them like captain's chairs, much like on the Kia EV9, of which this is based. So in the back here, this is the 6-seater configuration, which will basically give you the 2 seats in the middle row, and then you can have either 2 or 3 seats in the back. Now, what's really cool about these seats is the amount of adjustability that I've got. So I can, if I wanted, I could bring out a footrest, because obviously even as a 6-foot adult, I've got plenty of room, and I could adjust, so I could go forward, back, adjust it, much like you would on the front seat of most other cars. What's also cool is this center console can also move forward and back. And then I've also got heated seats, cooled seats, and I can adjust the climate from here. We've also benefit from a Bose stereo. No word yet as to whether that will be standard. Most likely that's going to be available in the higher trim levels. Then of course in the back, so we've got the 2-seat configuration. Boot space, you get about 620 litres with all seats up. And then you get 1,323 if you fold down this back row here. In terms of what powers the car, we're expecting it to have a 110 kilowatt hour battery, which will be able to be recharged at 350 kilowatts, which means a 0 to 80% charge in about 20 minutes. So yes, that's our first look of the car. But what do you think? Do you prefer this over the Kia EV9? Why don't you let me know down in the comments below? And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a like. And don't forget, click subscribe and click the bell icon so always get notified whenever I load up new videos. We're hoping to get this car on the channel very soon, so you want to make sure you're subscribed for the full review. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'm Max. This is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.